How to fix couldn't refresh feed on Instagram. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the problem when you are not able to refresh your Instagram feed. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to Google Play Store and search for Instagram. Now you need to check whether there is any update available or not. If there is, do update your application. After that, go to the settings of your phone device and search for Manage Application option. Once you find it, click on it and then you are supposed to search Instagram application on it and go to its storage, as we are supposed to delete the cache of application for its better performance. So click on Instagram and go to storage. Once you go to storage, click on clear data. Click the option of clear cache, and if you remember the password of your ID on Instagram, also clear all the data of Instagram. By now, by following these steps, your problem should have been solved. But if yet it is not solved, you are suggested to restart your phone, as sometimes it might also be technical issue on your phone device. And that's all. By following these easy steps, you will be able to fix the problem of refreshing your feed on Instagram. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.